Mutual funds investments are subject to market risk. Read all the scheme related documents carefully. We're just providing some reports and insights for you which would be helpful for you to make an investment decision. Funds Learning Data Servicer team is not responsible for the individual who has incurred loss. Welcome to Data Servicer YouTube channel. I'm thanking for this day and wishing you all the best for what you do today and in future. This video is related to stocks, mutual funds and trading news that comes under Funds Learning news part. So this is the second video related to it. So in this video, I am going to discuss about top sectors part 2 that would perform well in 2021 and 2022. If you have missed it to watch the part 1, I recommend you to watch it before starting this video. I'm providing the link of the same in the description. Let's get into the video. Before giving farewell to 2021, it's a chance for the retail investors to park their money in these sectors. First sector that we're going to discuss is cement. We believe this sector will do well over the next 2 to 3 years. Infrastructure sector has been doing well and will continue to do well. Real estate has been picking up well and it also augurs very well for sectors like cement and building materials. In the previous video, you can grab some information from part 1 video of what I said about real estate and you can get to understand about why cement and building materials will be a better sector in these upcoming years. We expect cement capacity utilization to keep improving over the next 2 to 3 years as demand addition will be higher than supply addition. The next sector that we're going to discuss is paper. Colleges are about to get reopened and the schools too. So this is slightly contrarian sector. The sector is in the midst of turnaround and expected to do well over the 2 to 3 years. As I said, the schools are reopening and implementation of NEP will act as tailwind for the sector. The next sector that we're going to discuss is capital goods. So this is a sector that has been in downtrend for a very long period. We are seeing green shoots in this sector and it is poised for a turnaround. So invest in this sector from at least 2 to 3 years. The next sector that we're going to discuss is metals and finance sector. Metals and finance sectors are the bedrock of economic activity globally. Despite the progress in vaccination in 2021, there still remains lockdown-like situation across the globe and GDP growth is largely fueled by limited basic consumer spend so far. In such a scenario, capex plans remains muted and financing needs bare minimum. Metal stocks so far had a dream run on financials and selectively performed as well, and stocks in both of these sectors are now in a consolidation mode. The next sector that we're going to see is leisure, travel and entertainment. We all know from our personal experience that there is sufficient amount of unspent cash sitting in banks, liquid mutual funds, waiting to be spent when restrictions are fully lifted. With the help of views and the investment tips that has been expressed by the experts, we are just providing these information to you. We are not promising that these sectors would do well, but there are some green shots possibilities in these sectors which would be a turnaround in the next 2 to 3 years. That's it I have for this video. I'll come up with another interesting news related to stocks, mutual funds and trading. You can follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn and Telegram. For more details, please visit our website dataservicer.com. You can mail us your queries and concerns to yourdataservicer@gmail.com. Until then, stay notified and stay subscribed for more data.